Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on Granola AI. We need to talk about the most awkward part of modern remote work. You jump on a sensitive client call and suddenly an animated robot called Fireflies or Otter joins the room. Everyone instantly stops speaking candidly because they know a bot is recording them. But what if you could get perfectly formatted AI generated meeting notes without ever inviting a bot to your call? Okay? This is basically what Granola it's all about. Okay? And it's fundamentally different from any meeting assistant. It doesn't join your calendar invites, it's gonna run locally on your Mac or your Windows PC, and it's gonna quietly capture your system audio. Even better, it doesn't just give you like a wall of text, it's gonna take the messy, half-finished bullet points you typed during the meeting and use AI to finally, make it into something for you. Before we install anything, let's talk pricing, okay? Granola has a very user's trial. You can get 25 free meetings for life, okay? And it is not limited by days, it is limited by usage, okay? So this is perfect for testing it out. Okay, once you hit that limit, the individual plan is basically $14 per user per month. Okay, unlocking unlimited meetings and custom templates. Now, first of all, guys, you're gonna have to download it. Okay, so just click on download for Windows. On in your case, it might say download for Mac, but it doesn't matter. Just download it and install the file. Now, very importantly, guys, this doesn't work with any like normal Gmail. You're gonna have to have like a business email account. Okay, at least at the time that I'm recording. So you need to have like your own business account or email. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you for permissions, for example, because it's gonna need permission to record your computer system audio and your microphone, okay? So just allow for it, and you're gonna be welcome to this beautiful dashboard. And automatically it's basically gonna be synced up with your calendar in Google. So basically, whenever you have a meeting schedule, Granola is gonna have like a fresh blank notepad waiting for you right on your desktop, okay, which is great. So guys, here's where more people get confused, okay? We're gonna run a simulated meeting. Granola is not like a passive tool. If you sit back, say nothing, and type nothing, it will just gonna give you like a generic summary. Granola's philosophy is you write half, AI writes the rest, okay? And it's want you to stay engaged. So we're just gonna go to this test event that I created for you so you can see, okay? As you can see, this is programmed for 6 p.m., okay? So whenever the clock is set to 6 p.m., this is gonna start and it's gonna start transcribing, okay? But what I can do, however, is I can start it now if I also want this, okay? This is fine, all right? So I can start writing notes, for example, and so I'm just gonna start now, okay? And what I'm going to do is, if I click here, it's gonna start recording. Okay, so instead of trying to describe the meeting myself, I'm just going to jot down like a few lazy bullet points. So I'm gonna say, for example, budget approved for Q3 ads. I'm also gonna write Sarah hates the blue logo. And I'm also gonna do need to hire a new designer by August, okay? And I don't need to write down the exact numbers, okay? Because the context or the full names, because Granola is gonna ask us a safety net, okay? It sees what I care about, and it's gonna use the background audio once I click on start now, once the meeting starts, to fill in the blanks. So I'm just gonna say something. I'm gonna say now. Okay, I need my budget approved, and it's been quite messy because Sarah hates the current logo. And I think we need a current new designer to kind of make it work a little bit better and to improve upon what we're working on, okay? Because we need this new origin, this new logo, we need it so urgently. All right, so as you can see, it's basically taking my audio. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna click on Enhance Notes. It's gonna analyze the transcript and it's gonna try to, to expand upon it basically. Okay. So it's basically gonna capture everything, the context, the exact order amount, the platform, just because I gave it like a breadcrumb, okay, which is the bullet points. And it also automatically generates like requirements, the issues, and the allocations. Not only that, but a great functionality that I love is the follow-up emails. You can just click on write follow-up email, and it's gonna make, an email based on the notes, so you can send to your team or to your clients, which is beautiful. Okay, and you can continue to chat, and you can ask anything to the AI, and it's gonna try to see if it's, in the audio to kind of answer for you. And this is great because if you forgot to write a specific bullet point, no problem, because the whole transcript meeting is here in this link. So you can just open it and you can see exactly what you said. And this is great because you can just ask the AI if you forgot about something. So I can say something. Did anyone mention the timeline for the website redesign? Okay, and it's gonna go through the basically through the audio, and it's gonna try to answer that question for you. And you can select different models for this, okay? So this is great. Oh, and by the way, guys, do not forget that in 2026, Granola finally launched their mobile application. Okay, this is a game changer for offline work. So if you're having like a coffee catch with an investor, or you're talking to a client call on your cell phone, just use this application because it's gonna work great. So whenever you're ready to share, you can just click in here and you can go to put it in a specific workspace. And you can also share it with your friends by clicking on the share button, okay? This is gonna generate like a public link, or you can invite people and, paste it into Slack or Notion, and it's gonna keep everything, perfectly intact. Now guys, a quick note on privacy. Because it records local audio, it is highly discreet, okay? However, the audio is sent to the cloud to be processed by AI models. So if you are on the individual plan, your data is secure, but you must manually check your settings if you're worried about the model training. Okay, guys? So this is something very important to keep in mind. So in general, this is a tool that I actually recommend if you want an AI that is going to join your meetings, take perfect notes while you play video games, and requires zero effort from you. Okay? But if you want to actively engage in your meetings, taking quick mental anchors, and all of that, this is great, okay? It's not gonna do all of the job for you, but it's gonna do most of it for you, okay? And you can really get the most out of it if you're a little bit proactive. Okay, guys?